Hi guys, I'm just going to clear the area, get it all set up. Okay, I've got 4 posts out of dead wood, and I'm just going to establish the TP shape where I can. I've got 2 tarts with me, not just the one. At the moment it looks like half of one, but when I get there, I've got it all set up. I'll give you a tour, see what it looks like. See, we've got a loose bit here. I'm going to try and cinch it down. Right, so, and secure it by using one of these. First, I don't want it going that way, because it'll pull, if it rains, it'll pull in here. Anyway, it would be a good thing, because I'll get water, but it's not what I want tonight, when it's over flat like that. Like so. With these, just open them up and then screw them tight. You've seen them before. I've used them with my modified Lavu. Come in pretty handy sometimes. Getting quite windy now. I've checked. I can't see any willow makers above me just yet, so I'll keep you posted. Here we go. A bit better. Try it a different way, see if it makes it more secure. It's better. Ta-da! I'm done. I have now my pyramid tent. Touch wood. It will keep me dry overnight if it rains, which it's due to rain tonight. I'll just show you. Got a longer side that side, because I'm going to be sleeping with my head here, going downhill because it's on a slight slant. And then I'm going to have my outdoors stove sticking out the top there, hopefully not touching. I will have to secure that, and then I will start getting some food on. But at the moment I've got to get some wood gathered ready. I'll catch you in a bit. Bye for now. I'm starting to run out of daylight here, but yeah, I'll show you quickly. So this is what it looks like inside. This is where I'm going to be sleeping. Here. This is where I'm going to be setting up the titanium stove. Sorry, you can't really see much at the moment because I've got to get my light established. I'll get back to you. Hey, let's turn this off. Hi guys, I'm now just about to start gathering firewood. Had a couple of hiccups I had to sort out, but I managed to get most of it done. And as you can see behind me, it is now set up. I just need to get some firewood. There we go. As you can see, the light outdoors titanium stove is now ready to fire up. I've got it going through the roof. It's not touching any material for it to catch fire. This wood here, touch wood. Oh God. Everybody keeps using that term, don't they? Touch wood. But hopefully I shouldn't have any problems. I'll find out within the first hour anyway whether there's going to be a problem with that. But by the looks of it, it looks good. It's all secure. Okay, firewood gathering. Let's do this. I'm going to start prepping this wood here. I've got this bit of ash that's fallen down, and then I shall be finding other stuff to use. So you'll have to bear with, and I'll be back sawing away, gathering some more firewood. So I'll catch up with you soon. This EKA 21-inch combi saw is going through everything like butter. It's amazing what this thing can do. Ta-da! Right, I'm going to start breaking this down, smaller pieces. Oh yeah. This is natural tinder, one of my homemade ones which I made. Right, let's get this started. Just show you guys. Oh, that's pretty toasty. Let's go have a look. Let's see what smoke is coming out. I can feel a lot of heat coming out. She's smoking. There we go, you can see much better. Doesn't seem to be touching anything, what I can see. Just the trees themselves. Hi guys, just getting some water on the boil. Let's have a look. In my zebra. Yeah, the steam's starting to come out of that, so that should be ready soon. Let's show you a selection of food to my stay here. Got some pistachios in a bag. We got a MRE pouch which I made myself. We got apple crumble and custard in that. And we got a breakfast bar and some porridge for the morning. And then for refreshments for tonight, we have got Shepherd Neame Kentish Strong Ale. What else we got? We got a Radical Road 6.4% triple hopped pale ale. It's gonna be pretty tasty. I am hoping to have a dry night tonight. It looks like the moon's out at the moment, so that's a good sign. It was due to rain all night for this area, but I've been lucky. I'm going to get a coffee brewed and then I'm going to start cooking dinner. Yummy noodles. Right, which one shall I have first? Do I have the IPA, or the Kentish Strong Ale, Radical Road, or Kentish Strong Ale? Ooh. I can't decide. Shall I let you decide? Nah, take too long. I'm gonna go for this one. Radical Road, grapefruit, marmalade, pine, bittersweet, brewed and bottled at Stewart Brewing. Cheers guys, hope everyone had a good Christmas. Cheers. Yeah, I can taste the marmalade as well. Triple hopped, nice and strong. I'm going to sign out now and I'll catch up with you in the morning. Good morning guys and girls. That was an interesting night. Firstly, it started to rain about just after 11 o'clock. Stopped for a little while, then about 1:45 it started hammering down. I started to feel rain on my face. Here we go. So I just had to batten down all the hatches, cinch everything up. Couldn't help that though, because of the hole at the top for the exhaust. This was the only patch here that actually got wet. By 4 o'clock, I think this morning, it stopped raining and it's been drying out ever since. Just got the fire lit. I just want to heat up some water, which is in there, and then have some breakfast, and then I'll start closing down camp. Right, here we go guys, thanks for tagging along, I really appreciate it. Please like or dislike, whatever you choose. Love comments or questions. Let us know if you want me to try something different, I will try it. Or if you think I'm doing something wrong or not quite right, let me know please. I'm open to suggestions how to improve. Like I said before, this is my journey through wilderness camping, wild camping, bushcraft skills, everything else. I'll catch up with you soon. Thanks again. This has been a blast. Oh, it's been brilliant. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon. Take care guys, all the best. Let's go home.